I didn't take a video of the construction of various parts of the warm air balloon originally, so I'm just going to talk through it and show some photos. I started with kind of a sketch on paper as I showed in the design video, and I tried to choose the lengths of pieces of wood so that I can minimize the total number of pieces that I bought. I think I used a total of about 4 8-foot 2x4s. So I cut the pieces to length, and then I started by building the bottom area first. It's kind of a frame for the floor. And then I attached uprights for the corners, and then I attached the rim around the top of the basket. And these joints had to be fairly solid because the seesaw support beam holds up the basket rim on the left and right side, and then the rest of the basket is held up by that. So the corners of the rim leading down into the uprights needed to be fairly secure, so I used like about 3 or 4 screws in each corner. And then I put uprights in for supporting the seat area, and then a piece across the back also to support the back of the chair. After the chair was in, then I stapled a cardboard face onto the left and right sides and the front. Later these would be painted. They didn't have to be too strong. They're mainly just for looks. I also put a little bowed out piece of cardboard along the rim to kind of make it look more like a basket, and just to add a little bit of padding. So the construction of the basket part of the warm air balloon was actually the easiest, and fortunately it just barely fit in the car, so I was able to take that to the church separately. And then after that, after some other pieces were cut, then I was able to attach the basket onto the seesaw beams. And that part is described later in the construction video.